no, I didn't say.
What is that?
Ah! Oh my goodness, what is that? Okay, well then, hello everyone, it's Extreme Rookie Dawson here with the Beyblade Battles video. So, yeah, battles. Isn't that Sun Dragon? Yeah, that's Sun Dragon. So the Sun Dragon, which is the orange one, versus, well, the red one technically because it's faceplate, and then Genus, which is a swan, with the yellow and black one. So yeah, let's get the battle started. Yeah, first do Sun Dragon first because he seems pretty strong. Hurry up! Okay. Well, that was a fail. I guess they're both too strong. Okay, okay, now. Go. Okay, so it is Krabby.
I didn't count.
So it is Krabby versus my boy, Spiral Fox number 2. Hey, I mean 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start this again. Actually, I think he just dodged his attack and then hit the wall, flew out. Ah! Yay! That's what I'm talking about. They touch the ground, they fly out.
Time for your checkup.
So we have Dr. McStuffins on
I
right
should do
now.
him first.
No. I was just showing them Dr. McStuffins. Okay. Hurry up. You need to pay attention. Who's gonna win? Spiral Fox number 1 is the winner. And he was the one. Actually, that was his helmet. I thought that was his helmet.
It was.
Because I saw his helmet fly off.
Right there.
Oh, by the way, remember the last time we had Capricorn? Well, now, look, he used to have just dirty stuff on him. I scraped it off today, just now. And you probably can't see very well, so get your finger out your mouth. I'm going to try to take it into the light. Well, you still can't see very well, but it's different.
It looks like a crab.
No, it's like some kind of killer whale. There's a cross on it. Just waiting to you. Okay. So at first I thought that Capricorn was like some kind of goat, but then I realized he wasn't. So yeah, this makes it better. It's a little reddish though. So. Just changing the modes. Just change it back. Good. Change it. Okay, there. So. No, stop pressing that. Okay. So. I'm not really pressing anything. I'm just acting like it. But anyway. Anyway, let's get back to the battles. If you can see if you can probably see like across a little bit. Change mode. But anyway, let's get back to the battle. We got some SeaWorld cups here. While I turn the light off. Stop changing modes. Okay, go back. Okay. Yeah, are you still playing? Are you still doing it?
Yeah.
Just need one more battle. Or no, 2 more battles actually. Yeah, come on, hurry up. You look like. Okay. Oh, Pegasus versus who? Let's find out in this episode. Yeah.
Pegasus.
Yeah, Pegasus versus Krabby.
Why?
Because I said so, and they're my Beyblades. Where's Pegasus? And I did a few. Yeah, you're not supposed to put Pegasus first. What's wrong with you? No, Krabby first. What's wrong with you? You're trying to get Pegasus to break. Why would you do that?
Oh no, because I can.
Sorry I haven't been making very much Minecraft videos anymore. I actually have a reason not to make these for a while. I'm still making them. I just have to like gather up. Oh yeah, Pegasus won. Okay, I just have to gather up some materials and wool and all that so I can make some mini games. Oh. And like I said before, Capricorn has like a crossing switching modes here. So yeah. So yeah, come on. Pay attention. Yeah. Capricorn first. But he's like sorry you can't see very well. But like Capricorn is like some kind of whale with it's like a toothed whale, not a baleen whale. So it eats like fish and not krill, but anyway. Do it again. Yeah, I told you to balance it. You might have met your match because you don't balance it right. Not to be rude, but you just don't balance it right because you've never seen him before, but you probably have never seen him before. But Phantom Orient, maybe in my start that over. You know that wasn't fair. You can't keep them waiting. They're cheating. But I've had one called Phantom Orient, and he was pretty strong. But then I was training him outside, and he had broke it. Like I was using him outside, he broke, and then yeah, I can't use him anymore. But I found his medal on the ground, and then yeah, he had as you can see, Capricorn has the medal of him, and what's his name? Oh, Phantom Orient didn't have very well balanced because yeah, his I think his medal was probably uneven. Come on, let's try that again. Let's just yeah. Go ahead. She's a beast in it. Why, Nia? You need to put it right here, ya dumba. Ah. Thank you, and now hurry up and put Capricorn on. Capricorn's gonna win because of what you did. He doesn't have very much stamina. His medal has. This is gonna be short. Okay, so yeah, last one over. So get your finger out your mouth.